So guys, welcome back to the Ferrari Files. In this episode, we meet Doug. Doug's passion for Ferrari and Italian sports cars started at a really early age. His favorite F1 racing team and driver is Niki Lauda and Michael Schumacher. With over 25 years in the business, he possesses diverse knowledge of new and antique Italian sports cars. His commitment to service has made him an instrumental member to our team and to our growth.
So a well-known YouTuber named Tavarish contacted us and he wanted to purchase this engine that we have in our yard for his YouTube channel video that he was making, which we will link below.
Oh, you're still working on the same car? You've been working on that car for a while.
What's up, dude? It's Russ.
Yeah, so I just took apart some of the engine and it has water in some of the cylinders. Now I'm not sure if I can still use the engine.
I'm open-ended to anything. I know I have the parts. I don't have no emotional attachment to them, so I'll start sending you stuff and we'll work it out. It's not a big deal.
Okay, sounds good.
YouTuber Tavarish.
Yeah?
He's taking this engine. He's gonna put it in his car. Here's the Project Bentley. We're gonna help him get it back on the road. Yeah, this thing's a beast. It's like not that big of a space either. If you look at the actual engine space compared to the actual engine, it's like, how did they get it in there? I was with a different company. I was with a company called Specialized Parts Planet. Rolls-Royce, Bentley, and Bentley. And that's a 1981 Rolls-Royce. Well, it's gotten trashed over the years because this thing's old, but look, it still has the key in the ignition. Yeah, this was I got it in and we put it in a bay to start dismantling it. And my dismantler goes, "Hey, you need to come look at this." And I went over and I went, "Oh no!" Wow. Copart won't take back cars, so you just had to roll with it. So we had to pull the engine. We sold the engine. We sold a lot of the interior stuff out of it, but we did get out of it eventually. But we just didn't make that much money on it because it was full on. Somebody just scammed us.
Whenever we buy a wrecked Ferrari, they look at the parts, look at the car, try to figure out what is usable on that car, if it could be rebuilt, if they could part it out. We have lists of customers waiting for parts that they need. So we kind of calculate out how much we could sell the parts for and how much we're gonna buy the car for and what we'll be willing to pay for it before we even bid on the car.
I look up the car, I look at the body panels online, I have a calculator set next to me, I figure out what each part is going to be worth, and then I give it an overall value of what I'll basically bid on the car. We keep this stuff forever because you never know, some of the parts aren't available anymore. As time goes on, they even get more and more valuable. So it's like, you know, a painting sitting on a shelf. Over time, it's going to get more valuable because the parts will become more and more unobtainium. A lot of these cross members and stuff like that you can't buy anymore. And what we do when we sell something like this is we cut it at the seams. So we spend the extra time to make sure it's right where it was originally welded from the factory.
RCSR?
RCSR.
That's all we had.
Yep. I remember RCSR. There's a lot of cars out here though. There's a lot of stories.
So one day I see Doug come in with his whole getup. I'm like, dude, what are you doing? He's like, we go duck hunting. I made him do a duck call and everything. He bring out his rifle. It was pretty awesome. And also I found out he actually had two dogs named Dino and Enzo.
Yeah, so Russ, Tim, and Doug are all avid hunters, but they've never brought anything that they've caught into work. So I feel like they don't even hunt out there. They just like go out there and drink beer. They catch nothing, and they just have these wild fish stories about how many ducks they catch.
Getting ready to go do some hunt tomorrow. I'm gonna go up to the club tonight called Stilbo Hunting Lodge. It's in Los Banos, California, about 2 hours away. Ducks. Yeah.
First time?
No, 30 years.
No kidding.
Yeah, I've been hunting for 30 years. It's a good place for you to go with your buddies and have a few drinks and tell a few lies and then go duck hunt in the morning.
Right.
It's not a place. I think Jim took his wife there once. Jim's the member there.
Mm-hmm.
Took his wife there once. She never went back. We always thought, it was some like extravagant thing that us guys were just all out there, talking about girls and stuff like that and getting into trouble. And she went out there and she realized it's really not. $100,000 to join that place. I had Dino and Enzo. I wonder why. So that's my weapon of choice, Beretta Extrema 2. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. Then we'll hit the blind 4:30 in the morning.
So guys, if you like this type of content, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification button.
And if you have any comments or you want to make any suggestions, just type below. And thank you for watching. This is the Ferrari Files.